Wow. And so this is how the unit looks straight out the pack. I didn't tie it down or nothing. I think it looks cute. Let me turn to the side. I think it's a vibe. I think it's a vibe. It's perfect for the summertime. You can have a couple of little bit more pieces hanging in the back. Good morning everybody. I am about to throw this unit on from Nadula Hair. This is fresh out of the pack. I have to do a couple of errands today and I need to put on a unit, girl. I've been walking around looking crazy all week. The remainder of my foundation, I'm not adding more. I'm just adding a little bit right there, so that should be enough. I just have a lot to do today, so I want something that I could just throw on, okay? So it has a comb in the back, and I have to have a comb in the back of my wigs. Oh my gosh, that is like melting on my head, like seriously melting. This is straight out the pack, y'all. I'm not doing nothing. I haven't plucked it, I haven't hot combed it, I haven't did anything. Because sometimes I just, you know, I know how to do my hair really, really good, y'all. But some girls are really beginners. And I really need to show y'all, like, are these wigs beginner friendly? So I'm just going to hold it down and push it down. I did not clean that damn makeup off. I'm going to push it down. It's sticking really tight. Oh, that look good. Let me just make sure that the lace is flat right here. Ooh. This is some soft hair. That is really soft. I'm always clipping my hair up. Alright. Child, I can just go like this and call it a day. But I want to just hot comb it a little bit. And then I want to pull a little bit of these edges out. Y'all, it's been like 5 minutes. So, it haven't been long at all. And hot comb these roots down, girl. Nadula always has some really cute wigs. I love working with them because their units be nice. This hair is very soft. This hair is gorgeous. Ooh, this hair is gorgeous. Have a little piece hanging like that. Girl, this a do. If you're in a rush and you need something quick, you could definitely just throw this on. I'm gonna just leave a couple of pieces hanging out. Not that big. This is some nice fluffy hair. It's hot, y'all. I'm always clipping my hair up. I think my last curly videos, I've been clipping my hair up. It's hot. This curly hair be a lot. Wow. And so this is how the unit looked straight out the pack. I didn't tie it down or nothing. I think it looked cute. Let me turn to the side. I think it's a vibe. I think it's a vibe. It's perfect for the summertime. You can have a couple of little bit more pieces hanging in the back. And voila. Voila. You can even get some little Chinese little sticks. That'll be real cute. So yeah, make sure you guys check out Nadula Hair. That looks pretty good. Okay, you can slick it down too. It's that type of unit that it'll get flat as you want it. I'm still not adding any product. Just showing y'all different ways you can wear it. You can put it in a ponytail like this, and this will be really cute. Perfect for the summer. I just recommend, if you don't do no baby hair, at least have some like sideburn areas. I don't know, it just make it look more, I don't know, cuter to me. They don't have to be gelled down, but I just feel like it make it look cute with a cute little clout clip. I've been styling my hair really cute lately, y'all. Look at this. Let me show y'all how the back look, and then we're gonna finish up. And you can still do it with those little pieces hanging. And girl, your hair is done. Before you put the tape down, make sure you clean your hair with like some alcohol or something, so you don't have any makeup right there, so it can stick a little better.